Hello again, I'm Trevor O'Neill with Renaissance Partners, and today I'm standing in the middle of the Renaissance Packing House site where we're building 34 townhomes here in downtown Anaheim. We're going to be knocking down and demolishing these old buildings here and replacing them with a beautiful new residential community. And as we prepare to do that, we need to be able to satisfy what's known as CEQA, the California Environmental Quality Act. There are a number of different requirements therein where we have to do various studies and reports. One of those I'm going to talk about today is the noise study. And our report might come back and say that we can only have construction hours from a certain time of day that's not going to cause an undue impact on those neighbors. And we want to be good neighbors too. Once our project is built, then we'll have people who are living here generating noise from driving their cars in and out, their air conditioners turning on and off, and our report will produce mitigation measures that might be like building sound walls, like a block wall of a certain height to keep the sound away from the neighborhoods. And as well, there's going to be sound coming from the street. This is an urban community and it's right on Anaheim Boulevard, as you can see here, and there's going to be noise coming in from the street, and those noise levels are going to be telling us when we get to our construction and our design of the actual buildings, the layers of insulation, the thickness of the walls and everything, so we can make sure that the people who live here can have an enjoyable environment to live in without undue noise from the community.